morning, everyone. It's Saturday. It's actually not so bad right now. We're finishing up a mirror job on a Jeepster, and Jude was like, "This is funny." I was like, "No, this is actually how Pennsylvania does it." Since I have Pennsylvania State Inspection, Emissions, and Waiver license, that if a person has a windshield that's replaced, they cut the glass out, bring the stickers back to the inspection facility, and then us as the inspectors will reissue stickers. But we need to have the old stickers to do that. So that's what they do. It's pretty cool how they cut it out and give it back. I'm not familiar with the station number. Not that it even matters to me, but that's what they do. Jude's trying to get the mirror off. This always fixes it, doesn't it? Little painter's tape. Should we keep this in case we have to like look under the dash or look under someone?
Transmission.
Yeah, or look under someone's nose to see if they're actually breathing.
Or do lights off, either way.
Yeah. So Jude's gonna put a whole new mirror assembly on here on this Jeep Wrangler, and we're gonna move on with our day. All right, thanks for watching.